In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best methods to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and if you're watching this video, then that means that you're interested in making money online and creating a passive income. And that's what this channel is about. So if you're interested in creating a life of freedom through online marketing, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you tips that you can start applying to your online business so you can start seeing improved results. And if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, then you can download a free ebook called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this ebook does is it helps you decide what niche you want to promote and also the different platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. So onto the topic of this video, which is how to make money with affiliate marketing. So when it comes to this business, you have to think in terms of the long run. If you're just trying to make a quick dollar in this business, most likely you're not going to be very successful. I'm not saying that you can't make any money that way, but what I'm saying is that it won't be sustainable. You have to have a game plan for the long term. So the first thing that I want to talk about when getting started with affiliate marketing is the first thing you have to do is pick a niche. So I recommend picking a niche that you're passionate about. The reason why I say that is because you're going to have to put in a lot of time and effort into creating content based on the niche that you're in. You're going to have to create a lot of free content in order to start getting people to actually buy your affiliate offers, because you have to deliver value in order to get results that you want. So that's my first tip that I have for you guys, is to first pick a niche that you're passionate about. So the next tip that I have for you guys is to pick a product in your niche. Most people who are just getting started with affiliate marketing get stuck at this point because they're looking for the perfect product to promote. Well, let me tell you something. You don't have to have the perfect product. All you have to do is make sure that your product is helping somebody in your niche. Your product has to give value to the people that are in your niche who are looking for a solution. When you do that, people will recognize the value in your affiliate product and they'll eventually buy. But that's only if you're delivering value in your content. Now there's some people who get started in this business and they start earning money right away. And that's cool and all, but something that you have to keep in mind is that with this business, results are not typical. Meaning, just because you see somebody else making $10,000 in a weekend doesn't mean that you're going to do the same. So you just have to stay focused and keep adjusting your method. So what I recommend is to look at what other successful people are doing in this business and model after them. So that's why it's good to always have a mentor, whether it's somebody that you talk to in person or just somebody who you watch and learn just by looking at their actions. So whoever you pick as your mentor, just make sure that they're successful in the business that you're in. So that's the next tip I have for you guys, is to have a mentor. The next piece of advice that I have for you guys is to have a genuine desire to help people, no matter what niche you're promoting. That's why it's important to be passionate about the niche that you're in, as I mentioned earlier. Because when you have a genuine desire to help people, you're going to put that much more effort into delivering value into your content. You're going to be more consistent with your message, and you're going to actually want to help people. When people can sense that you're genuine with your message, you start to build authority among them. Maybe you're promoting the weight loss niche because you've been overweight before and you've managed to lose that weight and keep it off. So now you want to help other people who are trying to do the same, because you know what that feels like, and you're trying to help those who are trying to make a positive change in their life. See, that's a great example of being passionate about a niche. So that's an important thing to remember, is just to be passionate and have a genuine desire to help people. So on to the next tip that I want to talk about, which is to educate yourself. Whether it comes to this business or anything else in your life, you should be consistently educating yourself. Because if you're not growing, then that means you're dying. So what I recommend is to read books. And if you're someone who doesn't like to read books, try listening to audiobooks. Start studying what successful people do to be successful and start modeling that success. A great book to read is called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now this book doesn't just talk about being successful in life, but it also explains how to live a more fulfilling life. And I'll leave a link in the description if anybody's interested in checking that out. So that's the next tip that I have for you guys, is to consistently educate yourself. So the next thing that you have to do in order to be successful in this business is that you have to believe that this is possible for you. You have to believe that you can be successful in this business. You have to have a vision of where you want to be. And you also have to take massive action in order to get there. My advice to you guys is to have something that's going to inspire you and keep it somewhere where you're going to see it every day. It can be something like a quote or a picture. Something that you're going to see when you wake up, maybe somewhere on your bathroom mirror. Every time you look at that, it has to inspire you. It has to remind you of why you started and what you want to get out of this business. Maybe it can be a picture of your kids. Maybe that's the reason why you decided to get into online marketing, because you want to provide a better financial future for your family. Whatever the case may be for you, just find something that inspires you, a picture, a quote, whatever the case may be, and just put it somewhere where you're going to see it every day to remind you why you're doing this. So that's an important thing to keep in mind, is to believe that this is possible for you. So when you start to apply all of these tips that I've just shared with you into your business, you're going to start to see some results. Whether you've been in this business for a while, but somehow you're just not seeing the results that you wanted, or maybe you're just completely brand new to this business and you've made a decision to make a full-time income online, whatever the case may be for you, when you start applying these tips, you're going to start to see results. And you're going to start to see an increase in your income. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about these tips. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments. And if you're serious about making a full-time income online, you can click the link in the top of the description to learn more. And if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, you can download the free ebook that I mentioned earlier called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.